Well, it has been hot today. The skies are pretty, at least they're nice and blue. Clear skies on our Goodwill Auto Auction camera. Current temperature, though, still 90 degrees. Our wind is out the west at 7 miles per hour. Humidity only at 48%, but that dew point, the content of moisture in our air, is at 68, and really between 65 and 70, it does start to feel rather uncomfortable. Now, tomorrow, we'll be looking at numbers closer to that miserable mark, and our heat index values will go along with that. We are expecting it to feel like those temperatures are around the triple digits tomorrow afternoon, at least before thunderstorms arrive and cool us down a bit. I'll map that out for you on Future Track now. So we'll start off the morning with increasing cloud coverage around 8 a.m. There may be an isolated shower or two. Then tomorrow afternoon, once we get the heat really cooking things up, we start to see thunderstorms developing, especially across the west and northwest. These storms will become scattered across the region. It will be hit or miss, but I think most of us will see some rain or at least a decent cool down from these storms. There may be some periods of torrential rainfall, could cause some minor flooding at times. Additionally, we are tracking the risk for some of those stronger wind gusts that could cause tree damage and power outages. But a cold front comes through, drying us out a bit heading into Tuesday. A few scattered showers still possible Tuesday afternoon and evening. There is a marginal risk of severe weather tomorrow. That's going to be for those strong wind gusts I mentioned. Over the next 10 days, once the storms move through, a cold front will drop our temperatures to around 85 degrees for a high on Tuesday. We'll be closer to that normal high for this time of year, around 84 degrees throughout the upcoming week. We just have to get through the hot temperatures tomorrow. Basically, what's going to happen is this low pressure center will stay just to our north. That's going to help bring in more of that northwesterly flow into the Miami Valley throughout the upcoming week. We'll get cut off from some of that south and southwesterly air we have been dealing with. Right now, our satellite radar imagery is nice and clear. We're dealing with that high pressure system still. Some storms to our south across Kentucky, and a cold front, that one I've been mentioning, is on the way. It's in Iowa right now. Additionally, Hurricane Hannah, now a tropical depression, is continuing to track inland and will continue to weaken, still producing a lot of rainfall. We also have Hurricane Douglas, that is the center just north of Hawaii there, producing 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts around that eye. Tonight, 73 degrees here in Dayton. We will see clear skies and a light wind. Tomorrow, we get up to 91 degrees. It will be hot and humid with some afternoon thunderstorms, and that's going to start really around lunchtime. We start to see those storms developing, becoming scattered across the region into the evening. Storms likely around 4 o'clock. Temperatures will drop in the presence of those storms, so we'll see those temperatures likely around 91 degrees before that happens here in Dayton. 85 degrees your high on Tuesday, and look at that. We keep our conditions a little bit closer to normal the rest of the week, with highs staying in the mid-80s after we get through